Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in bright white. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, hill descent control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 63828.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.